Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming core prerequisites, Python fluency and basic math. Install Anaconda or create a virtualenv, then open Jupyter Lab so you can iterate quickly. Clone a small Git repo to practice reproducible work. Next, review linear algebra and probability because models rely on vectors and distributions. Knowing why gradients move optimizers helps you debug. Once done, run simple NumPy and Pandas exercises and commit your first notebook to reinforce habits and momentum. You now move into practical model building. Pick a focused dataset and clean it thoroughly so features are reliable. Create a train/validation split and baseline with scikit-learn to set expectations. Measure using relevant metrics so you know what improvement means. Assemble a pipeline for preprocessing and modeling to avoid leakage. Once a baseline works, serialize the model and try grid or random search for hyperparameters. This teaches you trade-offs between speed and accuracy as you refine performance. You finish by deploying a minimal API using Flask or Fast API to serve predictions because real feedback reveals gaps. Add basic tests and a CI/CD step so changes are safe. Log inputs, outputs, and performance metrics to detect drift. Iterate on model and data. Retrain when performance drops. If things go wrong, first compare data schemas and distributions between training and production. Then check preprocessing consistency and random seeds. These checks catch most deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.